stop by and take a look at the 2021 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, brake assist, remote keyless entry, speed control, splash guards, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.